For page 18 of the notes, we are interpreting scatter plots. A scatter plot is a type of graph where data points are graphed as dots without any lines. If there is a trend or a correlation in a graph, that means there is a relationship between the variables. So this word trend and correlation both mean relationship. In this example, we see that these plots, these dots or data points, are kind of going in an upward pattern, right? It's definitely not this way. It's definitely upward. So if it's upward to the right, we call it a positive trend or correlation. Positive trend or positive correlation. And based on this scatter plot, we can look to see when x is 6, will y be 2 or 6? Well, if I have 2, it's down here, not close to the line. But if I have 6, it's right here, which is close to the line. So probably it will be 6. Based on the scatter plot, when x equals 9, over here, it will be closer to 9 and not 3 down here. So 9 is a better prediction because it's closer to the line. And based on the scatter plot, when x equals 3, would it be 3 or up here, 9? Well, this is kind of far from the line, and here it's much closer. So probably it will be 3. This next example, the points are going in a downward pattern, a downward relationship from left to right. So if it goes downward towards the right, it's called a negative trend or a negative correlation. Based on this scatter plot, when x equals 3, I will probably be up here, closer to 7 than down here, not around 2. So I don't want 2, probably 7. And when x equals 7, it will be down here and not around 10. This is much closer, so 3 is a much better prediction. In the last example, there isn't really much of a pattern. It's all over. So this one has no trend and no correlation.